Good morning. I am Professor Sarika Panpatil. Today's lecture is on Introduction of Drilling Machine. After learning this, you will be able to define drilling operation, identify parts of drilling machine, write types of drilling machine. Let us see one by one all these. What is drilling? Drilling, it is actually a metal cutting process which is carried out by the rotating cutting tool, and it makes the circular hole in a solid material. This drilling operation can also be done with the help of the lathe machine, in which the drill is held into the tailstock and the workpiece is held in the chuck. Tool which is used for the making of hole, it is called as twist drill, or also it is called as the drill bit. Now we are going to see one by one different types of drilling machines, and before that we are going to see the general type of drilling machine. As you can see in the diagram, this is the power operated machine which holds the tool in the spindle. That spindle is going to rotate at the high speed, and when it comes with the contact with the workpiece, it will produce the hole. We are going to see different parts of this drilling machine. This is the base. Base is the part of the machine on which the vertical column is mounted. This is the vertical column. This is mounted on the base. In the belt driven machine, the counter shaft, which is consist of fast and a loose pulley, and the cone pulley is lifted. It is fitted on the base of the machine. The top of the base, it is round column section, and T-slots are provided so that the large workpiece, it can be held into directly on this base here. Then second part is the column. This is the vertical member of the machine which supports the table and head containing all the driving mechanisms. The column should be sufficiently rigid so that it can take up the entire cutting pressure of the drill. The column may be box section or it may be a round section. The box column is more rigid unit as compared to the column section. In some of the round column machines, the rack tips are cut on the face of the column for the vertical movement of the arm and the table. Then next part is the table. Table is mounted on the column and it is provided with the T-slots for clamping of the workpiece directly on the table. The table may be round, rectangular in shape. The table of a pillar drilling machine have three types of adjustment: vertical adjustment, radial adjustment, and a circular adjustment about its own axis. After the required adjustment has been made, this table is clamped. This table is clamped with the help of this table clamp. Then next part is the drill head. Drill head is mounted on the top of the column and it houses the driving and the feeding mechanism for the spindle. In some of the machines, the drill head may be adjusted up or down for accommodating different heights of the workpiece in addition to the table adjustment. In the lighter machines, the driving motor is mounted at the rear end of the head, counterbalancing the weight of the drill spindle. Next is the part that is called as the spindle. You can see here a spindle sleeve is provided in which the spindle is mounted. The drill which is used to make the hole, it is inserted into this vertical spindle. So these are the parts of the drilling machine. Now there are different types of this drilling machine. You think what kinds of different machines do you know, and wrote down that in your notebook. See, the different types of drilling machines are: first one is the portable drilling machine. bench drilling machine, radial drilling machine, pillar drilling machine, gang drilling machine, and multiple drilling machines. These are the different types of drilling machines, and one by one we will discuss all types of this machine in detail in our next lecture. Thank you. If you are having any query, you can contact me.